What's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're going to talk about US stimulus check. So, President Trump told Congress that $600 stimulus check is too low. So, you need to give me 2,000 stimulus check. You know, House Democrats agree it should be 2,000 stimulus check. Remember, so in May, the House Democrats wanted to give $3.3 trillion. And also some of the Democrats and independents are calling for 2,000 stimulus checks. So they agree. But Senate Republicans said 2,000 is gonna be too much, and it's very hard for them to agree to something. To getting Democrats and Republicans together. So if you change something this late, because President Trump said 600 is too low, make it 2,000 and remove some other programs that are wasteful. That's what he said, but he's saying this really too late. So it's putting the deal in this jeopardy. The House Republicans do not agree. So it's in a very, very tight situation. So also this stimulus bill is tied to the government funding. So if the government funding does not get passed, then sometime next week, Tuesday, midnight, the government could shut down this situation. So today we're gonna talk about stimulus check. Who's gonna get it, and who will be the first one to get it, and who's not gonna get it, and what could happen in future, and what can you do right now to get a stimulus check as soon as possible. So let's imagine President Donald Trump is gonna sign, even though it's $600. Let's just imagine this scenario. So for $600, if you're an individual making 75,000 or less in 2019, you will get full $600. But every single $100 that you make above 75,000, you're gonna get $5 less. So that's gonna put you 87,000 limit. If you make 87,000 above, you're not gonna get anything if you're individual. If you're couples making 150,000 together, so 75,000 times 2 is 150,000. So you will get full $600. But if you are making much more, let's say 174,000 above as a couple, you're not gonna get anything. But if you're a household member making 124,000 and above, you're not gonna get anything. So what is a head of household? So you are somebody, you need to take care of dependents. It can be your parents, it can be your adopted child, or anybody. So you are considered head of household. If you want to know more about that, you can ask your CPA or your tax advisor. I'm not a tax advisor or CPA, so you can ask them about it. So what's the fastest way to get stimulus check? It will be direct deposit. If you file 2019 tax filing using direct deposit, don't change your bank, don't close the account. That's gonna be the fastest way to do it. But if you were getting check for the tax refund in 2019, you might want to go update on the website. I'm gonna put the link down below in the comment or description. You can look for it on the IRS website. You can update your deposit information. If you're a nine filer, you did not file the tax return, there is a link, the same link, you can update the information in order for you to get the check. So the second batch will be those receiving the refund by check, or ERB card, debit card issued by IRS. Those will be the last one. And in the bill, IRS is required to send all the checks before January 15. So if you are not included in by deadline, you will be looking at until the 2021 tax filing season, which is April 15, to get to all those payments. So you can call IRS about it. If you have any specific situation, you can call IRS in the morning when they open, or in the evening when they are about to close, or about 2 to 4 p.m. That's the very best time to call them. So yes, the best way is don't if you want to change anything, do it right now on the IRS website. And if you have the previous address, basically, if you do not receive any check yet, check with the previous address. So your check might have gone to the previous address. So yeah, you update the link, all the information, uh, everything, and also the difference between the CARES Act in March and right now, what is that? It's $100. The child used to get only $500 per child, per dependent in the previous CARES Act. Now it's $600, so it's $100 more. If you have a college students who are older than 17, they most likely not gonna get a check. So and also you need to file the record in 2019 tax filing, so the IRS have the record to where to send the check. So that's why it's very important if you are receiving benefits, exercise, social security, the benefits, you could also get a check as well. So make sure you update that check information. And also non-resident aliens, non-resident aliens not gonna get that check. So it's the same as the before. Non-resident aliens not gonna get it. So another thing is that it used to be that if you are a couple, one of the couples don't have social security number, you did not get the first stimulus check. But this time, it's lucky for you. They're gonna give it to you, whoever has the social security number in your family. So because it's more fair, previously, if one of your household member don't have a social security number, your wife or your husband, you don't get it. You did not get it. So now they changed the law. So that's a big difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you smash the like button, share this video so that everybody knows I will be posting more video about this. And I talk about stock investment and real estate investment, and also general knowledge about US. So if you like to make more money and succeed in life, this is a channel for you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.